Welcome to the MR Workspace Merge and Split Patient Examination demonstration. In this video, I will show you the Merge and Split Exam functionality. The Merge function allows you to combine up to 5 studies into one exam. When the examination is complete and before sending to PACS, exam data is split into separate studies, each with a distinct accession number. Merging patient exams streamlines the workflow because you can perform multiple studies in one exam. In this scenario, the patient, Brenda Brain and Spine, is registered in the RIS for 2 MR studies, one of her brain and one of her C-spine. I want to scan both MR studies in one examination. Before starting the examination, I merge the 2 studies. I open the patient directory and click the Scheduled tab. To merge studies, both studies need to be retrieved from the RIS and have the same patient name, patient ID, date of birth, and referring physician. To select the studies, I press Ctrl and click both the brain and C-spine studies for this patient. Then I right-click and select Merge. Now the studies are merged. In the patient dashboard, I can see the icon indicating the studies are merged. The patient tile shows C-spine +1. The +1 is the brain examination. If I have auto export enabled, I will need to disable it for this examination. When auto export is enabled, scans are automatically sent to PACS as they are completed. With merged studies, I want to wait till the end of the exam to send the data to PACS. To disable auto export, I click the Setting and Tools icon. Then Settings. Auto export. I click the checkbox to deselect this option. Next, I add the brain and C-spine exam cards. Enter patient details and perform the exam. After scanning, I click Release Patient. Before sending the examination data to PACS, I need to split the exam studies, selecting the image series for each of the studies. I open the patient directory and click the arrow next to Merged to sort the list for merged studies. Brenda Brain and Spine appears at the top of the list. I right-click the examination and select Split. The Split Study window shows all scans of the current examination. I can see the 2 studies, MR C-spine and MR brain. I can click the Add New Study button and add up to 5 studies as needed. I then click the checkboxes to assign imaging series to the studies. I can assign imaging series to multiple exams or to none of the exams. However, every study must contain at least 1 series. Finally, I enter or select an exam accession number for each study. If I didn't merge the studies, then I could just enter the correct accession numbers in the fields. I click Split, and as you can see, the 2 studies are now visible in the patient directory. I then send the studies to the PACS or network node. If I disabled auto export, I will re-enable it. Because this is a system setting, this will ensure that future examination data will be managed as expected. Thank you for watching this video on Merge and Split Patient Examinations with MR Workspace.